People decide how much they respect you the moment they hear your voice. You can dress well, look confident, and even feel strong inside, but if your voice sounds weak or shaky, all of that goes in waste. And the worst part is, most guys don't even realize their voice is the problem. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple things that will make your voice sound deeper, stronger, and more confident. And the good news is, these techniques are super easy and anyone can do it. Let's start. 1. Breathe from your belly. Take a breath right now. Did your shoulders rise? If they did, that's the problem. That kind of breathing makes your voice sound thin and weak. Here's why. When you breathe from your chest, your throat stays tight, and a tight throat pushes your voice up. That's why it sounds high and shaky. The fix is simple. Breathe from your belly. When you take a breath, your belly should expand outward, not your chest, not your shoulders, just your belly. When you breathe like this, your body relaxes, your throat opens up, and your voice naturally starts to drop on its own. This one change alone will make a noticeable difference in how you sound. 2. Speak from your chest. Most guys speak from their throat. That's the wrong place. A deep, powerful voice comes from your chest. Here's a simple drill to feel it. Lower your chin slightly and hum, just a simple sound. You should feel a vibration in your chest right around the center. That vibration is where your real voice lives. Now, slowly lift your head and keep that same feeling while you speak. You'll notice instantly that your voice sounds fuller, heavier, and more grounded. This is not a fake voice. This is your actual voice. Most guys have just never used it before. 3. Slow down. This is the one most guys never think about. When someone is nervous or anxious, they speak fast. They rush through sentences. They fill every silence. But when someone is confident, they slow down. They pause. They let silence do the work. Whatever your normal speaking speed is, try slowing it down by 20%. It will feel uncomfortable at first. That's normal. That means you're breaking an old habit. But when you slow down, your voice relaxes, your pitch drops, and people actually start paying more attention to what you're saying. Silence is not weakness. Silence is control. Conclusion. Now, combine all 3. Breathe from your belly, speak from your chest, and slow down. If you practice this for just 7 days, you'll hear a clear difference in your own voice. And after a few weeks, you won't even have to think about it. It just becomes natural. If you want more content on grooming, confidence, and improving yourself, join the Zelvin Brotherhood. It's a free community where men are working on becoming better every single day. The link is in the description. And if you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you in the next.